In this video, I'm gonna unbox the AGARO Grand 2-slice stainless steel pop-up toaster. In the box we get a manual and a toaster. There is no any extra accessories in the box. The body is made of stainless steel. As you can see, it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. However, the overall chromed look gives it a premium appearance. In the front we get a pop-up knob, a browning control with 7 levels settings and 3 buttons: cancel, reheat and defrost. The defrost and the reheat button comes in handy when you forget to take the bread out of the freezer. The breadcrumb tray is at the bottom. We can clean the breadcrumbs by removing the tray. It makes the cleaning process easy and simple. Now let's make some bread toast and test it out. I'm using wheat bread. After placing the bread in the toaster, bring down the knob and it starts automatically. I'm going to use the browning level 5. Depending on the level you choose, the time it takes to toast the bread varies. And also based on the thickness of the bread, the crispiness might also vary. It came out really well. Look at the golden brown color. It didn't over toast anything. Now let's see the second batch. Let's see how it comes. I'm using the same level 5 browning settings. The second batch actually came out really well. It's even better than the first one. I'm using the same 5th settings, but the second batch turned out to be really good. I will give you the affiliate links in the description. Please check it out.